Okay, 3.6 Twitter optimization resources. Hopefully you've done some research and you know what you want your account to look like. Now here are 3 resources that will help you achieve this look. Let's go through them individually and I'll show you how to use all of them. Sweet, we are here on Twitter covers. There is a difference to the spelling in this Twitter, make sure you note that. And what this is are awesome pre-designed Twitter covers that you can simply copy or just simply upload to your Twitter profile directly from this website. So I like to come in here to the popular tab because obviously the better ones are normally the most popular ones. And you can just scroll down. Here's a great feature of the site is when you hover over the image, it will show you what it will look like when you use it as your header image for your Twitter profile. Obviously it's a demo profile, but you get the idea of it. And this works for all of them. Like that looks quite effective. So you just can scroll down and see what you like, see what you don't like. As soon as you find one that you like, it's super easy to put onto your profile. You can download it or you can click on it, get the full screen view, and simply set as Twitter cover right here. You can browse categories. Let me head back up to that navigation bar. Browse categories, so you know which, so that it suits your Twitter account. If you have an account about a sport account, you would obviously come to sports. Find something simple that works and simply upload it to your account. Very simple, very easy, and yeah, just a great resource. So that is Twitter covers. So this is the second resource you can use. It is called Ultra Planet. I don't know how to say this. You can see the spelling up here and the URL. This is the full URL. I'll make this a clickable link if that's possible in Udemy. So you just want to come down to the Twitter tab. You can actually use this website for creating all of your social media graphics, but it's very awesome. It's very easy to use for Twitter. So if you want to create a profile image, simply click create. If you want to create your header image, create. Your background image, it will also help you create it. So the thing about this is you need to have your actual graphics ready. This will just give you the optimal size and obviously the right scale for Twitter. So if we're gonna come in here and do a header image, which I've just clicked create for, you're gonna upload images from your desktop that you want as part of your header image. You'll then get taken through these steps. You'll be able to crop it, add effects to it, change like the contrast and brightness. And then at the end, you'll be able to download and then simply re-upload to your Twitter profile. This is an awesome resource just for if you don't have Photoshop. It's great to use. It'll keep all your files in the one spot and it'll obviously publish your finished image for you. Okay, so this is my favorite resource. This is canva.com, Canva.com. It is an awesome resource for all of your graphics. Even when you want to tweet an image or an infographic or something, come here and create it. It's super easy to use, really easy to do. Let's have a look. I'm gonna make a header image. So the perfect width is 520 by 260, if you remember correctly. Click design, and what it will do is it will create a canvas for you on the right. At the moment it's a blank canvas. You simply fill it with what you want. So simply come down here to background, and choose what background will suit your profile. And you can change the color up here, really simple. So I'm just gonna go with a simple blue. Actually, I'm gonna make it green. No, green doesn't look nice. I'm going back to blue. Come in, put your text in here. Add text, text. Simply just drag and drop where you want it. You can resize it by, I suppose you resize the text by changing the size of the text. If it's an image, you just drag the corners of this box. So I'm going to take advantage of that top right real estate over here. And then I'm going to use the preset text style on the left. You can see you can get all sorts of cool looking things. The free ones are obviously free. Some of them are premium and they'll cost like $1, depending if you want to spend money or not. I find that there are plenty of free resources which look great. I'm just going to drag this one into my header. That's a little bit small. Get it bigger again. Drag it up to the top left-hand real estate of my header image. Change the text here. Texty text. And again, drag and drop. Super simple. As much as you want or as little as you want. Remember to keep the simplicity. I always get carried away because everything looks so good on this website. Place text. So the next awesome thing about this are the pictures and icons. So come up here to search, and you can see you can get lines. Just drag and drop the lines in there. They look great as well. Close that lines. Where are we here? Lines, banners, grids, text holders, speech bubble shapes, icons. Let them load. Just drag a rocket in as you will. Throw an apple or a tomato, whatever that is. So again, don't get carried away. Remember to keep it simple and keep the continuity of your page down to 1 or 2, maybe 3 colors top. Remember your inspiration and try to build from that. There's no need to put pineapples and apples in the same picture. If you want something further, you can get animals. You can search million images. Apparently there's 1 million images on here. Search whatever you want and I'm sure you'll find it. For example, you want a lion, you type lion and you're going to get lions. Some of them will be paid. That doesn't even look like a lion to me, but you just drag and drop and you now have lions. Okay, so when you are finished creating something that you like, simply come up here, wait till it's saved. It's saved, link and publish. So it'll give you a link to your image if you want to link directly to it. What we want to do if we're setting as a Twitter header image, we want to download it as an image. It'll prepare your image in this cool looking loading bar. And then once that's loaded, you will have your image downloaded and ready to re-upload to your Twitter profile.